the FUMOTO valve. Some will swear this is the greatest invention ever made for oil changes. And I agree. That's why I had one installed on my Lexus GX for many, many years. Until my last oil changed, I noticed a small seepage around the seals of my FUMOTO valve. So in a recent video, I tried and tested a different valve system called Vortex. It's also like Valvomax. And it's also like the easy drain system like you guys see on Amazon. But regardless, I tested something different just to provide options to buyers and give other American companies an opportunity to showcase their products. If you go through the comment section of my Vortex video I just recently released, you're going to see a lot of pushback from FUMOTO fans. But what I don't show you in that video is the failure of the FUMOTO valve, specifically mine. When I took the FUMOTO off of my vehicle, I realized the rubber seals within the valve deteriorated, probably due to me rotating this a lot and due to extreme heat that further caused the seats to fail. Wait, did you guys know the FUMOTO valve rotates? 4 to 5 years ago when I bought this FUMOTO valve, I had no idea there were different versions. I just bought one on Amazon. It came and I installed it. The link to the original video is below this video. The original version of this FUMOTO valve also came with a short nipple that was difficult to keep a tube on, especially when you're working with oil. So fast forward to today. I went back to the FUMOTO website to do additional research on a replacement and discovered that they do have a stationary valve that does not rotate. Less moving parts means no rubber seals can fail on you. This version also comes with a longer nipple that can hold a tube properly. So can we conclude the FUMOTO valve is actually a pretty good valve, just as long as you buy the right version for your Lexus GX. Hang on real quick here. Hey Jim Bob, remember that brother I told you about that just moved into our neighborhood? Yeah, he's making his rounds, going to every single house saying hi to all the neighbors, and I think he's coming over to my house right now. I gotta go. He's coming. Gonna make this very, very uncomfortable for him so he can move out of my neighborhood.
Just like the owl comes out at night, my coochie comes out late at night. Just like the owl comes out at night, my coochie comes out late at night. Night owl, night owl, night owl, a night owl. Who Just like the owl comes out at night, my coochie comes out late at night. Just like the owl comes out at night, my coochie comes out late at night. Night